Hi guys, welcome back to another chit chat with Paris. Let's just start with the video. Today's video is going to be how to seduce anyone and anything, okay guys? This video is going to be very clear. First of all, you have to know what you want to seduce and who you want to seduce, okay? To begin with, right? In order for you to seduce people, you cannot chase, you cannot beg, okay? People will feel like you are seducing them, or people will feel seduced by you from the moment when they see you very confident, okay? So, how to seduce anyone, right? To begin with, very easy. Be yourself. When I tell you be yourself, is don't compete with anybody. Okay, don't try to look like anybody. Be yourself. Don't try to be something that you're not. Okay, just be yourself. And second off, for you to seduce someone, you have to look good. Like, it's obvious. Like, you have to look good. Like, let's not act like looks doesn't matter. Looks does matter. So you have to look good inside and out, guys. That is very, very important. You have to always look put together. That's the only way you're going to seduce somebody. And you have to have a very seductive mindset. Okay? If you want to seduce somebody, you have to have a very seductive mindset. And I'm not talking about be freaky, okay? I'm saying you have to have a very intelligent mindset, okay? A very different mindset, okay? You cannot be a little slow if you want to seduce somebody, okay? You have to actually know what you want in life. Yes, I feel like people, they don't be knowing what they want in life. Now, somebody might find you attractive based on how you talk and based on how you treat others, okay? So if you want to seduce someone, you have to actually work on yourself. Be yourself, work on yourself, have a seductive mindset, treat others with kindness, okay? Don't be out here being like a mean girl and thinking that people are gonna find that seductive. No, not at all, okay? Now, the question is, how do you seduce anything that you want? Very easy. Thank God you clicked this video. In order for you to seduce what you want, you have to write it down, manifest, and work on it every single day. Even if it's for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, okay? In order for you to seduce and get what you want, you need to work on it every single day. I'm gonna give you an example. If you want to be an influencer, right? You have to post content every day. You have to actually post content every day. Like, if you want to be a nurse, you have to do your research, you have to do your homework. If you want to be a DJ, you have to practice your skills every day. Even if it's for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, take a time out of your day to work on your goals. And trust me, things are gonna come so fast and so easy to you and for you because you're working on it every single day. And you cannot be thirsty. Like, you have to be patient. If you want to seduce something, you have to just pray about it, lean back, and be patient. You cannot be acting thirsty if you want something, because that's not gonna happen. You have to be patient, because sometimes you want something, but that thing might take you 5 or 10 years. Did you know that? And also, if you want to seduce anything that you want, you have to just be in your own world. Like, you cannot see what other people are doing for themselves. Does that make any sense? Like, example, let's say you want to seduce a rich man, right? But you see your friends are seducing rich men too, but your rich man is not coming. You cannot be worried about your friends. You have to worry about yourself. Whatever you want is gonna come. Just have to be patient, pray about it, and work on it every single day. And do not put too much pressure on yourself. You have to relax and let things come to you. Like, Of course, and you have to keep it private. I'm telling you, keep it private. Like, I feel like seducing anyone or anything, you have to keep it to yourself. Like, I feel like only you and maybe one person should know, but keep it to yourself. Even if you want to win Miss Universe, keep it to yourself. Keep your goals to yourself, because the more you keep it to yourself, only you will know how much you have failed. Only you will know how closer you are to your goals. But now, if you keep telling people, oh, you want to get a man by this year and you don't get a man by this year, they're going to look at you like, oh my gosh, like, is she stupid? Like, if you want to get a car this year, but you like, oh my gosh, I couldn't get a car this year, people are going to look at you like she said she was going to do it. Or she said she was going to get it, but she didn't get it. So keep it, everything to yourself. That's literally how you seduce anyone and anything. Keep it private. Keep your mouth shut. Okay? Wait patiently. Manifest it. Pray about it. Write it down. Just write it down. And do some work on yourself, because a lot of you guys want to seduce a healthy man. A lot of you guys want to seduce a man with money. A lot of you guys want to seduce a good looking man. But like, look at yourself. Do you even have your own money to begin with? You don't, right? So work on that. Do you even have a healthy mindset? You don't. So work on that. You're probably toxic, right? Exactly. So for you to want to seduce somebody, you low-key have to become that person first. So when that person comes to you, you're already ready to be with them, right? So if you want a rich man, if you want a rich man, a good man, a man that knows how to dress, be that person first, okay? Because you cannot be asking something to someone when you don't even have that. You get it? Do you guys know what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so you have to be patient. Like I mentioned before, you have to be patient, keep everything to yourself, and of course, look good. Yeah, look good. If you want to seduce a man, cover up your body, look good, look clean, don't be easy. Make a man wait 7 months, 6 months, whatever, I don't care. Make him wait for that pum pum. Don't be easy. If you really want to seduce a man, you have to make sure that he's connected with you emotionally. You get me? Because a lot of you guys be trying to connect with men sexually, and then he be smashing and leaving you guys. So yeah. So you actually have to make sure that you are working on yourself. Yeah, I said it. And also, guys, I have to move closer. Yeah, okay. You have to work on yourself, guys. Yeah, it's like you want to seduce a man with money, but you're broke. And it's okay to be broke, but you have to work on it. Like, I'm not saying I'm rich, but every day I am working on myself. Like, you want to seduce a amazing future, work on that future. Stop being lazy. Get off that damn bed. Stop being lazy. Like, you have to become who you're asking for. You get me? Like, again, if you want to seduce as sexy as boyfriend, you have to be a sexy girlfriend first. Because, like, you cannot, listen, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Before you ask somebody for something, make sure that you get that first. Yes. You heard me? And ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the video. How to seduce anyone or anything. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna mention again. Write it down, manifest it, pray, be patient, okay? Look good, keep it private, okay? And work on it every single day. And that's how you are going to manifest anything, okay? Bye, guys.